So you're wanting to see deleted messages on Instagram. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how you could achieve that. First, open the Instagram app, then go to your profile at the bottom right. Click on your profile picture. Then you select the menu icon at the top right corner of the page. And then you go to your activity, scroll down and click on the last option, that is download your information. Press on request to download. Select the second option because you want to selectively only download your messages. Once you've done that, you click on messages and press next. After that, you enter your email in the notify option. In the format, HTML is suggested, medium quality is fine, and the date range is where the data was deleted and from when you want to extract it and view it. You can select options that are already given here, or you can go to custom and edit it. Suppose I want to edit it for a day before, then I do set. So I have the start date of October 3rd and the end date of October 4th. Then I save it. Then I press on submit request. After a while, I'll get a notification that my file is ready to be downloaded. When my file is ready, I'll only have 4 days to download the information from this page. After a while, you receive a notification as such. Then after you go to the same download your information bar, you'll see that now you can download it. So you press on download and enter your password. After you've entered your password, you press on continue and the HTML file will be downloaded and you can view your unsent messages. That's it. I hope this helps and thanks for watching.